Today, I made a roundup of few of the best high-ticket affiliate programs. Most of them are from the make money online niche, and you can earn huge commissions, some over $5,000. So the first high-ticket affiliate program that I will talk about is Goldco, which is a very interesting one because it is around gold. In today's world, where the inflation and now war in Ukraine and a lot of instabilities in the world, the currencies are fluctuating, dollar is going up and down, euro also. In this world, gold is like a constant. More and more people are investing in gold and trying to save money that way without fluctuating. So Goldco is like an online gold broker where you can invest and buy gold. And they have an excellent affiliate program. As you can see, if you have qualified sales, you can earn a lot of money. They say that Goldco claims that an average buy from the person is around $58,000. It's a high claim, but you get a percentage of that. They are paying out more than $150,000 to the affiliate partners. So it's free. You can join 100% free. You just go to the link in description. I will leave it there and apply, and you're good to go. The second high-ticket affiliate program I want to present to you is called Marketing Boost. They offer 400. That would be nice. 40% monthly residual commission. As an affiliate, you can test one of their Marketing Boost incentives, and they will even send you a complimentary free night vacation getaway in Las Vegas. So their affiliate program works in 3 steps. You sign up, then you refer people like most affiliate program works, and when you reach a threshold of $50, you will be able to withdraw the money on your PayPal account. Their commissions are really good, and they even offer a second tier commission. So you get, 50% in the first tier. So if you refer something, you will get 50%. And if that person becomes an affiliate, then if that affiliate refers something, you will also earn 10% of commission for that too. You can also refer other businesses to join their affiliate program, and then you will get 40% commission. Also, they're similar to ClickFunnels affiliate program. They have a dream car contest where you have to get 200 active Marketing Boost members. Then you will qualify for a dream car. Then they will send you like a $500 per month extra towards your lease payment. So basically you buy the car and they pay the interest. If you get 400 members, then they will give you $1,000 per month extra. So everything that you earn as an affiliate plus $1,000, and then you can buy your dream car. So this is a very nice one. The next one is a legendary marketer. You probably heard me. We talk a lot about it. There is a review of that program somewhere on the screen above. Of course, all the links will be in the description. So basically, a legendary marketer is a course. It's a 15 days challenge as a front-end program, which costs only $7. In that 15 days, you learn how to start your affiliate marketing business. You can get a call with the business advisor. The catch with that program is you will get 10 to 30% commissions free, but for higher commission rate, you will have to pay $30 a month, $29.95. Which is okay because they let you integrate your own autoresponder for email sequences. You can earn additional streams of income, like you can promote ClickFunnels through them. So if you refer someone and that someone buys ClickFunnels, you will be affiliated, not them. It's a pretty nice program. They have a lot of upsells. You can earn up to $4,000 commission, because they have an upsell. The biggest one I think is $9,500. So yeah, it's hard to sell that one, but if you sell it, it's really, really high ticket. Like I said, all the links will be in the description to all of those programs. The next one I want to present to you is called Regal Assets, which is like an investment company. They also have an affiliate program. and you have up to 30,000 plus commission for each and every referred customer transaction. This program is 100% free, and 3% commission is earned on all gross client sales for all present and future sales, so it's a lifetime commission. If you refer someone and then invest in the precious metals or cryptocurrency, you will get 3% from them for life. So every time they buy, you get 3%. They say that they have a big sales. The average sales was around $65,000, which is a lot. If you do 3% of that, it's a lot of money. So also, like I said before, you have lifetime revenue share. You can even earn $30 to $100 per valid lead. So if they don't buy anything, you just send the customer to them, you will get between $30 and $100. They have call per action and pay per call, which is so similar to this. So if you send a lead or send a lead they can go to the phone call with them, you will earn a commission. Many sales, they claim that they sell around 100,000 and even a million sale, which is your $30,000 commission. But let's be honest, even if you have like 10 people with, I don't know, if they buy $1,000 in a year, that's 10,000, and your 3%, it's very nice for free money. So go ahead, check the link in the bio. So I already presented 4 of the high ticket programs. I think this deserves a like. If you're enjoying this video, again, please hit the like button below and subscribe so you don't miss later videos. The next one is also from my friend Jonathan Montoya. I promote this one. It's a very nice course. It's like a 3-day challenge. So now the Legendary Marketer is 15 days challenge. This one is only 3 days. It's very condensed. The good thing is if you as an affiliate buy higher tier upsells, you can white label it, so you get 100% commission and claim the course as yours, and you get everything: the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, the YouTube challenge, the YouTube paid ads, the Facebook paid ads, everything you can sell as a white label, as your own course. They have like 50 to 75% commission. 50 is a normal commission, but if you want to upgrade to Freedom Breakthrough, which is I think $495, you will get 75% commission. One of the things that I like around this program is Jonathan often incentivize his customers to have challenges like TikTok, Instagram Reels challenges, YouTube Shorts challenges, and he's a really good teacher. The people resonate good. So even if you don't do everything yourself through the landing page, which you should, he makes a lot of effort, and he is a very successful salesperson. They will do all the selling for you, and the biggest commission is $1,125 if you sell the Freedom Breakthrough, which is almost $1,500. They also have some things for the future. So the link is this description. You can join, you can start selling. If you don't know how, you can buy the program for $7 and go through the 3-day business challenge, which I incentivize you to do. So don't sell something you don't know how it's working. You need to buy the course, buy the program, so you can believe in it, because people will tell that you are not honest or something. The next one is in crypto. It's a Binance. It's a big cryptocurrency exchange. They added NFTs lately. They do a lot of promotion everywhere. So crypto and NFTs are a really big buzzword currently. So it's easy to drive people here. So basically you sign up, become an affiliate, you get a link, and you will get up to 50% commission. When users create an account with your affiliate link, you will get up to 50% commission from every trade they make. I will repeat that: from every trade they make. That's what's good around Binance. I know that Coinbase has a similar, so it's not like one big high ticket commission, but it's more like recurring revenue for you, because nobody just comes to Binance, buys once and never again. So you will get more and more money as the time goes by. And the last high ticket that I want to present to you is not in a make money niche. It's like a luxury niche, but not that uncommon. I know some people in Make Money Online that are affiliates of this luxury Oceanscape Yachts program. Basically, you get paid for leads, you get paid a commission on the charter, so on the renting of the yachts. You get $500 bonus for every referral who signs up for the Oceanscape Club Premium membership, lifetime cookies. You can have commissions on charters. Like I said, the base charter rate for 1 week can be from $25,000 to many times more, and your commission starts at around $1,250 per booking. Commission exclude extra fees such as fuel and marina and cleaning and everything. They really like travel bloggers because they love travel bloggers are more easier to promote those yachts and charters, because it's like going on destinations and then say, okay, if you want a boat, I can give you a link, and then people will come. I hope you like this type of content. I will make more. If you want to join any of these or learn how to sell through what you need to have, how to build a sales funnel or anything, you can go through the Legendary Marketer or the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Freedom Breakthrough program. All the links are in my description, and see you on the other side.